Getting hit with that 500 server error in Elementor? No worries. I'll walk you through a quick fix for your 500 server error. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more useful tutorials like this. So, first, open your browser and log into the WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type WP Optimize and hit Enter. When it shows up, click Install, then Activate. Once activated, you'll be redirected to the plugins list. Head to WP Optimize from the side menu, then click on Database. Scroll down, and you'll see a bunch of optimization options. Many are already checked, like Optimize Database Tables and Clean All Post Revisions. Hit the Run Optimization button next to each of them. It might take a minute, but just keep going through the list. Auto drafts, trashed posts, all of it. Next, log in to your Hostinger account. On the dashboard, click Websites. Choose the one you're working on and hit Dashboard. In the side menu, click Advanced. Then select PHP Configuration. Go to the PHP Options tab. Scroll down to Memory Limit and change it from 512 megabytes to something higher like 1024 megabytes. Scroll down and click Save. And that's it. Your site should be running smoothly again. So, ready to design sleek pro-level sites without hiring a developer? Elementor's the key. Use my affiliate link and start building your brand today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.